So honey is something that's pure.
Okay.
If you add something pure to water, and it changes that water,
right,
you can no longer use that water
to
purify yourself. That's the general rule here. So we're talking about, as anything, the majority of things are pure. Now, impure is basically flowing blood, what emerges from the front and the back of waste products of the human being and of all animals that are makruh or haram to eat. Vomit, which is food that's changed when its qualities have changed. Pus and things like that. Alcohol in the Maliki position, maybe not in some other positions. Alcohol is one of the only plants that purely, but even though it's a natural thing and not from an animal product, it's impure. Those are basically most, and also things from that are taken from dead animals that you're not allowed to eat, like their skin, or where you make leather, for example, or other things that are attached to the body. If we're talking hair that's been cut off, or fur that's been cut off, or down from feathers that's been cut off, that doesn't have any sort of thing that's actually entered into the body proper. It's been cut off outside. That's fine, even if it comes from a pig bristles or anything. But if you pluck it and you get a bit of sort of like skin or cells or blood at the end of it, that makes it impure. So things like ivory and bones, whatever else you might think, feathers that have been pulled right out, and all those types of things, they would be impure if the animal itself was one which was disliked or forbidden.